we need to find the maximum value of that function. Right. Now, what are the initial value? Which value we need to initialize is your W, C1, C2, swarm size, number of iteration, and you need to generate the random number for each and every swarms. We had generated R1, R2 over here. After that, generating this thing, we initialize the current position of each and every swarm. The equation is that 10 minus 10 multiplied by R1 minus 0.5. We're given justification why we had taken this thing, right? And we had get the, just a second, I mute the computer. After finding current position, we need to find it at the velocity at 0th instance, and for that we are having equation R2 minus 0.5, and we had calculated this thing. Now after that we started with iteration 1. How many iteration we need to calculate over here? It means 5 iteration. We need to calculate all the values, and then we can say that this is your maximum value. Right, after that in iteration 1 we had current position at first. We had taken CP0 is equal to CP1 and velocity 0 at velocity 1, so we didn't calculate again it. Then we need to find it out current fitness value for this. When you need to find it out the fitness value, you just need to substitute the value in place of S as your current position's value. We are having 5 different value, so you can calculate 5 different fitness value. This is your 5 different current position. This is your 5 different fitness value. Then after you need to calculate your personal best and global best. This reason we had calculated the personal best and global best. Till this point, everyone had done it or not? Till this point, everyone had done or not? Just a second, wait.
For the first party position and
So till this point, any doubt you people are having? Till this point, any doubt you are having?
Now the question.
So after that, we are having a third particle who is having giving the global best in first. Now, if you want to calculate the iteration 2, what we did in iteration 1, we just need to repeat it out. Right? current position. How you calculated the positions? Remember or not? How we calculate? Okay, vi plus 1's equations is over here. This is your vi plus 1. Now you are having global best, current position, personal best, current positions, random number, C1, C2, W and V1, right? And now you need to find it out. WV1 plus 1 means W2, you need to find it out. You had all the values of this, all parameters. Please substitute it and tell me what is the V2. If you want, just copy this equation and you need to take all the values you are taken over here. This is your value. C1, C2, W, local best, global best, all the things. Please note it out 1% and then we can start it out. How we can calculate V of 2 means V of I plus 1. We already have V of 1. And then if you want to calculate this equation, it's been WV1 plus C1 random number WV1 plus C1 into rand function personal best minus current position plus global best minus current positions, right? Now what is the value of WV1? This is over here. What do you mean by W? 0.7, 0.2, 0.6. 0.7, 0.2. This is 0.6. What does V1? V1, we are taking it V0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values. Oh, right? Now everyone says personal best, current position, global best, and current position. Please substitute this value and tell me what is the answer.
Will have
Get with you. V1 matrix, we can write it out again. It is 0.7, 0.13, and 0.12. V1 at 0.7, 0.39. Thank you. 0.07, 13, and 12, 33. 12, 33, and 26. Right? So you are getting this value. Now, whenever you are substituting this over here, it's having its personal best and current position. Global best, you had already calculated your global best. Right? And global best position. So you need to substitute the value and calculate exactly what is the answer. Try it out. If I also calculating it, whatever the answer coming, we can cross verify. हेलो આ લેક્ચર પછી ખતમ કરી ના હજુ તો નહીં જોવા હજુ તો મેલ જ ઓપન નહીં કરી ઓકે ઓકે રિવિઝનનું રિવિઝન સબમિટ કરવાનું જોયું છેલ્લો પોઈન્ટ છે મોકલ હલો નહીં હલો કેટલું બાકી છે આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ 1 કર આન્સર આપ કેટલી વાર તો તને ખબર પડે કે મેલ આવે એમનું તે તારા જેવા ના હોય એટલે જલ્દી કરવાનું તને કીધું તું આ ત્રીજો દિવસ થયો કોલેજના કામ મૂકી દેવાનું નહીં તો પીએચડી છોડી દેવાનું we can write it down પેન કાગળ છે આમાંથી પેપર આને બસ એ જ પેપર આને વાંધો નહીં અમિત પેપર છે વેલ્યુ 0.7 0.2 0.6 C1 C2 sum is equal to 5 number of iteration is equal to 5 okay what the velocity matrix we are having v of 1 is equal to minus 0.07 0.39 minus 0.12 33 and 0.26 now we need to substitute in this equation this is your personal best so personal best we can write it out bb1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 0 this is personal best fitness and your global best position is equal and value is 1 point. And if I substitute all the values it's equal to 0.7 multiplied by v1 is 0.07 plus c1 is 0.2 your random number of first swarm we need to write it down r1 r2 also 0.4 0.3 0.7 0.6 and 0.5 so if we calculate this 0.2 multiplied by 0.4 personal best minus current position. sick. If we evaluate this thing, just wait a second.
We have formed it.
So our answer should be look like this. This way. Please evaluate this term. What is the answer of B2? Just a second. In this, we need to do for almost 5 times this procedure. In that, your R1, R2 is going to change. Your global best remains the same. Your local best, personal best is going to change. So this parameter every time you need to change, and you need to find it out B2 equal to these 5 values. Your current position matrix is being not returned, but this is CP of 1 is equal to -1 -2 +2 +1 0. Okay, one answer is being 0.725. What is other 4 values? Though this has been tedious task of I knowing about it, but honestly, you need to understand if uh, in exam I never going to give you the 5 iteration. I will might be giving you 1 iteration because obviously 5 iteration take huge amount of time. One value is 0.725 now. What is the next value? Anyone at calculator. You just need to replace few of parameters and you will calculate. If you calculate, you can write it down in chat so I can update over it. Anyone come up with the answer? Even that calculated. Just one value is people calculate. What about others? You can actually calculate the phase. And what is the best value come after the 5 iteration? Okay, we're almost at the end of the lecture. We'll meet in next lecture. Thank you.